Hey, welcome back to the Love in Doha show. It's Dima, and I've got all the latest tea from the heart of Qatar, tourism milestones, tulip strolls, celebrity moments, windy weather, and a slight reminder for Travis Scott fans. Let's talk. If you've noticed a hype in Qatar since the beginning of the year, it's really there, because Qatar kicked off 2025 with a serious bang. Over 1.5 million international visitors came through in just the first 3 months of the year. That's a lot of new people snapping pics of the skyline and asking, where's the best Majbous? And it wasn't just random. The Eid holidays played a big role. This past Eid, visitor numbers jumped by 26% compared to last year. Over 214,000 people arrived during the 8-day period, and hotel occupancy hit a whopping 77%. Oh, and speaking of must-see spots, have you heard what's happening at Khor Al Udaid? Qatar's turning it into a luxury desert tourism hub. Think eco-glam with nature and 5-star vibes rolled into one. Honestly, I'm already mentally packing a suitcase. And the year's only getting started. We've got the T100 triathlon, the FIFA Arab Cup, and even the E1 Grand Prix of electric boats coming up. Qatar's alive and living, and we're here for it. Which event are you most excited about this year? I'm totally looking forward to the FIFA Arab Cup and the memories that will be created with it. Now, on a completely different note, you'll need to hold on to your shailas and gutras, because starting Tuesday, the day after tomorrow, Qatar's getting hit with some strong northwesterly gusts throughout the week. That means daytime winds are bringing the heat, but evenings should cool things down a bit. Heads up if you're planning sea activities, as marine warnings have been in place, and if you're like me and thought cracking open the car window for some breeze would be nice, just prepare to get smacked in the face with nature's very own hairdryer. Instant regret. Speaking of surprises, Egyptian actor Ahmed Fawzy recently went viral for testing how safe Qatar really is. He literally left his phone on a public bench for 2 full hours. I mean, bold move. He said he was super anxious the whole time, but when he came back, it was still sitting there exactly as he left it, not even moved an inch. His friend Bastawi and some people in the comments even said, I leave my car keys in the car. Safe to say, Qatar's safety score just went up a few more points. Before I go, huge news for music lovers. Travis Scott is coming to Doha on May 16th. This is your reminder to get your tickets. This guy's not just a rapper. He's a full-blown cultural icon. His album Utopia was the biggest hip-hop release of 2023 with over 50 billion streams. His last tour, highest grossing rap tour in history. If you're going, e-tickets will hit your inbox 2 days before the show. And if you weren't planning to go, well, maybe now you are. That's a wrap for today's episode. I hope you've enjoyed this one. Don't forget to follow and stay tuned for more feel-good updates. Until next time, stay curious, stay safe, and keep loving Doha.
Thank you for tuning into the Love in Doha podcast as part of the Augustus Media Podcast Network. Please hit that subscribe button wherever you get your podcasts from.